Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can delete games on Bluestacks. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to delete games on Bluestacks, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Bluestacks. And after opening your Bluestacks, next, I want you to click the My Games option right here. And right here, you will now be able to see all the games you installed on Bluestacks, so just find the one that you want to delete. So let's say that this is the game that you want to delete, for example. So to do that, first, I want you to place your mouse cursor at the game. And after placing your mouse cursor, you will then be able to see these three dots on the game, so just go and click it. And after clicking it, there it is guys, you will now be able to see the uninstall button, so just click it to delete the game. And then Bluestacks will ask you for confirmation if you really want to delete the game. Just click the uninstall button to confirm it. And after that, your Bluestacks app player will open, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you have now deleted the game on Bluestacks. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.